When most agents hear the word positioning, they think of price. High-end homes, luxury positioning, starter homes, budget positioning. That's not what positioning actually means. Positioning is perception. It's the space you occupy in someone's mind when they think about what you do. And here's the truth. If you don't define that space intentionally, the market will define it for you, usually in a way that undersells your value. Let's break down what positioning really means and how to start using it to your advantage. Number one, positioning starts with understanding the market, not copying it. A lot of agents look at the top producers and say, that's the model, I'll just do what they're doing. But when you copy, you become invisible. Every market already has a luxury agent, a neighborhood expert, a family-friendly realtor. If you're using the same buzzwords and visuals as everyone else, you just blend into the noise. Strong positioning starts by studying your market, not to imitate it, but to find the gap. Where is the opportunity? Where is there not being something done that you can come in and do? What is being said that should be, or isn't being said that should be? What's missing that clients are quietly searching for? If you can answer those questions, you can build a position that actually matters. Number two, build your message around a point of view. Your position is what you believe about the work that you do and how you communicate that belief. Here's an example. Let's say that two agents both focus on first-time buyers. One says, I help first-time buyers find homes, and the other says, I help first-time buyers make smart, confident decisions so they never feel lost in the process. Same service, completely different positioning. One sells the transaction, the other sells the transformation. And the shift in message changes everything. Your tone, your visuals, your client experience. People don't just remember what you do, they remember how you make them feel. And if you can articulate your belief clearly, your brand becomes magnetic. You stop having to explain your value because your content does it for you. Number three, reinforce that position everywhere. Positioning isn't a tagline, it's a system. Every piece of your brand, your bio, your listing photos, your email signature, your caption should reflect the same identity. When someone scrolls your page, watches your video, or meets you in person, they should instantly understand this is who they are and this is what they stand for. And the key is repetition. You might get tired of saying your message, but your audience is just starting to hear it. That's how strong positioning sticks. Your brand should feel like a familiar voice, consistent, confident, and easy to recognize. The takeaway here is positioning isn't about logos or colors or price points. It's about creating meaning behind what you do and ensuring that meaning is clear everywhere your brand shows up. When you position yourself strategically, you stop competing for attention and start commanding it. That's what powerful brands do. At Ground Zero, we help agents uncover that position, the story that makes their brand unforgettable. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.